Hi, food lovers. Make this yummy pesto Alfredo with me. Add salt and vegetable oil to a pot of water and bring that to a boil. When the water is boiled, you add your pesto to the pot and cover to cook for about 7 minutes. In a pot, add some vegetable oil, add your onion and spring onion, add cooking cream, mix that up. This is what I have. Add some cheese and mix that up. Pour in some white wine. Add your grated carrots. Mix that up. Add your pepper mix, oregano, and chicken stock. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Mix all the spices to combine. Add your pasta to the pot and give that a good mix. We'll add more veggies. Add more grated carrots, spring onion and curry leaves. Give that a good mix. Oh, the aroma. Guys, you have to try this. Add your chicken and mix it up. Oh, this food, guys. Our spicy, juicy, yummy pasta Alfredo is ready.